food truck delivery. Hello Ginger, I'm so glad you came. Hey Barbie, thanks for having me over. I can't wait for Anna to deliver our food from the food truck. I know, she should be here in about 5 minutes. Hey, come on in. Here's my sofa bed, but I need some help to put it down. Can you help me please, Ginger? Of course I can. Here you go. I am so excited for Anna to come round. Did you ask Elsa to come? Oh no, I didn't, Ginger. But if you want, we could put her in the next video we're going to be doing. Hey look, here's Anna. Hi. Hey Anna, I'm so glad you came. That's fine. I was running a little late because I had to do loads of other deliveries. Anyway, here's your food. I'm so excited to eat this food because it looks so yummy. Thanks, Barbie. Wow, that was delicious. Yeah, I really enjoyed it. Great work, Anna. Thanks, Ginger. I've had such a nice evening, Barbie and Ginger. Thanks for having me over. Honestly, Anna, it's an absolute pleasure. Thank you so much for coming over. Honestly, guys, it's been the best day ever today, but I've got to go. I need to do some deliveries in the morning. I also want to say thanks, Bobby, for letting me come to your really, really, really pretty and lovely house. And to you, Ginger, it's always such a pleasure to see you. The pleasure's all ours, Anna. Thanks for coming. See ya. I gotta go. I got my bike outside the front, so I'm gonna have to go now. Bye, Barbie. Vroom. Bye, Ginger. Make sure you come over again soon. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Bye guys!